Flexi dual mount fire clay kitchen sinks offers a perfect blend of style and durability. The deep bowl easily fits pots and pans. A variety of sizes and styles are available to choose from. Two-way installation offers ultimate flexibility in your kitchen setup. The gently slopped bottom and the easy-to-use drain strainer help with draining. 3 glazed surfaces resistant to high temperatures. Not only wear and scratch resistant, but also easy to clean. The included sink grid enhances convenience. Flexi dual mount fire clay kitchen sinks, crafted for sleek design and lasting functionality.